Okay, it's October 6th. My buddy Mike Doyle shot a good buck last night. Decided to let him lay overnight due to he got some thick stuff. So had a big rainstorm come in, and so we're gonna go out and find this deer with him. Me and old D-Rail. So stick around. We're gonna try to recover this buck, and I'm pretty sure we'll definitely find him. I mean, Mike's always made pretty good shots on his deers. Heck of a hunter, so stay tuned. We'll see if we find him.
Yep, shot a good buck last night. Tracked him for about 100 yards, seen good blood, made a good hit, so we're gonna go find him today.
I'd like to see him be slow on this, but he's gonna be pretty excited probably. What do you think, dude? A lot of blood there, ain't there? There's a lot of scent too. Hmm? Get all this stuff over this. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. So you guys ever see a dog work then or not?
Nope.
Like I said, just stay behind, and maybe we'll get a lot more blood up there somewhere beyond your point of loss, but we'll just keep our eyes peeled as best we can and communicate that way, like I said, blood. And then before we go, I'm going to say a quick prayer because that's something that I always do. And then I'll set him loose. Hold on, D.
Here's what this deer went.
I can see the green glove just straight out.
That's what this deer went out in. So here's what we're contending with.
Okay.
Look for blood.
Yeah, we got blood in the beds. Boy, I can't believe how far this deer went.
Well, I shouldn't have jinxed it.
Nah, you be all right.
No, I've done that before.
Yeah. No good editor.
Get ready to back off though. And now we got it.
Got him. Got him. Got him, Dale.
Yeah, baby.
Yes.
Yeah. Stay back. Good job.
Good job, Putt.
Hold on a second. He gets real possessive.
Hey,
He gets real possessive.
He can hang with him, man.
What'd I tell you, brother? Huh?
Yes.
I told you.
Didn't take too long.
Didn't take too long either, man. You are the man.
Dude. Your dog is the man.
That dog cut through. Look, I just want to show everybody
God, man.
what we went through, and we are losing camera light really fast. This is hundreds of acres of CRP that is, well, how tall are you, Mike?
6'6".
6'6", and so it's 5-6 foot tall.
Get him, boy.
And he found him right here, boys. Look at him.
Coyotes didn't get it either.
Coyotes didn't get him either.
That.
Good job.
Nice buck. Oh, man.
Come here, D. I knew finding those beds with the blood.
Oh, yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, he bedded down. He's better than I thought he was.
Deal. Good boy.
He's tight, but man, he's really nice. Really nice.
Whew. Yeah, they had lost the blood. It got down to specks on them and stuff yesterday, and this track's 24 hours old. It's in CRP that's probably chest high. Pretty hard to find the blood and that kind of stuff, but DIO picked up the scent on their point of loss. We went a half mile on this track. Ended up finding a few beds about 50, 60 yards back that had some blood in it. DIO took us right to it, so Shot
Unbelievable.
looked good. I don't know what it all got, but it's a good shot. But these deer
That
are
shot
tough.
was perfect too, man.
Yeah,
That is a perfect
Is this
shot.
the entrance or the exit?
That's the entrance.
That's probably
Entrance. That's
Yeah, he was
entrance.
walking
Yeah,
that
he was
way.
walking uphill, so yeah,
So,
that's the entrance.
What I'd like to tell you guys, this track is 24 hours old. You know, if you hunters out there miss or lose a deer like this,
Oh, I saved that
24
number.
hours really isn't an issue. After a rain is not an issue as well. We can track after rains. The dog loves it. You can see that he
Oh,
loves
yeah.
it.
It's fired up. Look
He's
at it.
got a little hair,
Got
white
a little
hair,
hair going.
Santa Claus. But guys, look me up on Facebook, Slifer's Bloodhound Service. Phone number is 217-821-5838. And if we can help you out, we'd be glad to help you out.
What a deal. What a deal. There you go. Let me move this out of there.
Oh, he's got a big sticker on the back of his. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
got a
9,
split on
10.
that. That's
He's
a
11 pointer.
11 pointer.
Old buck. He's a big old dude.
Look at the body on this.
Yes, it is. That thing is giant.
Well, what are you,
How did
6'6"?
that deer run?
I don't know how that deer
I
got
have
out.
no idea. That is
that's
crazy.
The shot he made on that deer. Complete pass through.
That is crazy.
Insane.
Son of a. Call Butch and have him bring a four-wheeler back
Hey,
there.
man.
Yeah.
Congratulations. I told you. What I tell you, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
I told you we're on a fun.
Ron's the man.
All right.
There you go. You got it.
Oh, man.
We beat those coyotes too.
Yeah.
I can't believe Kyle never got to him.
Man, that
And the
sucker's
buzzard.
got some blades for brows now.
All right, you guys. Here he is. Dio actually found Mike's deer he shot last night, and as you can see, he made a picture-perfect shot on this deer. The entrance and exit was just picture-perfect, and we don't know why. We lost blood about a half mile back, and Dio brought us right to this deer. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Amazing what that dog did.
Yep. Good buck, brother. Dang good buck.
That is a
Big mature buck,
shot.
buddy.
24 hours after the shot,
24 hours after shot, that dog come
dog
dead
came
to him.
right to him.
Amazing.
After it had rained. That's the thing.
And it rained last night.
It rained and there was heavy dew this morning. It looked like it had rained again, but it hadn't.
Good buck, Mike. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you very much.
You said you smoked him, boy. You wasn't lying, man. That don't get much better than that. That is textbook right there, brother. Some of these old bucks are just tanks. I mean,
And the heck did that deer
it just takes forever to put them down.
That's for sure.
Well, man, congratulations, brother.
Thank you very much, Doug. Thanks for giving Ron a call for sure.
I told you we wasn't leaving this for the coyotes.
Good puppy.
Okay, hey, I'm Ron Slifer from down around Effingham, Illinois, and this is my dog, trusty bloodhound Ronnie James DIO. He's a deer tracking dog. This is what he's trained to do. He tracks wounded deer if you guys lose blood or have a hard time finding your deer. If it's a dead deer, he'll probably find it. It was a good drive up here. We drove a little over an hour to get up here, and you know, I'll drive like that. I don't mind doing that. Key thing is on this, when you lose blood like that, try to refrain from grid searching. I know you want to try to find your deer, but sometimes that scent will stick to your shoes and you'll move that scent around and confuse the dog. But in this case, the CRP was waist high. We cut right through here real quick, and the dog found 3 or 4 wound beds back here about, what, 50 yards or so, started, and pretty much called it. I said, well, I think we're going to find the deer, and we did.
Sure did.
But anyway, if you need me, my phone number is 217-821-5838, and you can look me up on Facebook at Slifer's Bloodhound Service. I try to educate hunters a lot and what I see and what happens and help you out best I can. So congratulations to the hunter.
Thanks, Ron. Appreciate it.
Good time.
What do you think, Donnie? Does he smell good or what? Yeah, step over here, buddy. It's so much more aroma. It's aromatherapy candle like over here. It really is.
What I need right here.
Is that what you need?
Fresh air.
Fresh air.